If you've been throwing away coffee grounds, you might be wasting one of the best natural fertilizers for your plants. Yes, those used coffee grounds from your kitchen can do wonders for your tomatoes, peppers, and even cucumbers. Coffee grounds are packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help your plants grow faster, develop strong roots, and produce healthier fruits. Here's a simple way to use them. Take 1 liter of water and add 2 tablespoons of dried coffee grounds. Mix it well and let it sit overnight so all the nutrients can infuse into the water. The next day, your natural fertilizer is ready. Now water your plants directly at the roots, never on the leaves. Use this once a week for best results. This natural solution not only feeds your plants, but also improves soil structure, helps retain moisture, and even repels pests like snails with its strong smell. But remember, don't overuse it, as too much can make the soil too acidic. So next time, don't throw away coffee grounds. Turn them into a powerful boost for your garden